this before. We looked at each other in the same way then.
But what that means is, you know, any person considers me a friend or has in the past considered me a friend. And then I wrote back, so I guess that means that if you don't want to talk about what I want to talk about, then, you know, you don't want a real relationship or friendship because you don't even want to hear me out.
But I can't remember